release the brake, get it turned back in, back down to second, kiss the bottom of the curb.
When you're going to set off, you go right the way back to D and then pull to the left.
Yeah,
and then that's
manual.
where you are. Yeah.
Okay.
And the rest of it. And with the traction, what did you do with that?
You hold the TC off down for a few seconds.
So you hold it in?
Hold it in for a few seconds.
And this one as well?
No, that comes off at the same time. Just to put that,
okay.
all that TC, they both go off together. And then you get two red lights flashing.
And, okay, wet tyre, dry?
Yeah, as long as the light isn't on and yeah, you don't need to worry about that.
Okay.
Because if it's wet, you hold it and then put the light on.
Right, okay,
Yeah.
cool. Right, that's fine. So pit is pit limiter?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Happy with that?
Yep. Right, so we are on board Redline's Porsche Cayman GT4. It's part of the new British Championship. It's a pretty cool steering wheel, obviously flat out down the start and finish straight. I braked far too early then. So, steering feels a little bit light. I feel like I'm having to turn a little more than normal, but I suppose that might just be the Porsche steering ratio on their rack. Full power, using all the curb, going into turn 3. It's a little bit tail happy, but I'm not too sure the age of the tyres, so feels pretty good so far. Up to 4, up to 5th, hard on the brakes, down a gear, down a gear, down a gear, into 2nd. Get it rotated, full power. Traction of this thing feels pretty good, maximising my exit. Looking as far around this corner as possible. Thinking, oh, could I have left it in 4th gear? No, I think 3rd's correct. Down a few gears. Lots of steering angle just through there. I suppose the engine's in the back, so it's just going to take a little bit used to. I'm used to, obviously, everything I drive. Normally the engine's in the front. Heading down the back straight, so we're 190, 200, 210. 220 flat out. Okay, we don't get into 6th gear here. Down to 2nd for this tight corner. Full power again, heading towards bomb hole. We're going to stay to the left as much as possible. Open it up. A little bit too much curve then. Just upset the car heading into Coram. So let's see how much we can squeeze out of it around here. We're avoiding that wet patch. Down into 2nd, nice and close to the cones. Got it rotated, full power. Off we go again. Starting our 2nd lap, so we're going to start pushing a little bit more. 202.3. Feel like I just need a little bit more entry stability. The car's actually starting to rotate quite nicely now. I'm going to almond shape this corner. Let's get it rotated as much as possible. Full power again, maximising the track. Heading over to the right hand side, just 4th gear before braking zone, back down to 3rd. Late apex around here. Again, maximising the track's width. Bigger the corner, the faster you can go. So always trying to maximise any shape of every corner. Super late apex here, full power. Actually, the thing grips a lot more than I expected on the traction. Nice and close to the tyre wall through there. Brake on the bum. Let the ABS do its magic. Full power again. Keeping to the left hand side. It's a little sharp on the steering. I feel like Just needs a little bit more rear wing. It's got quite decent looking rear wing on this thing, so we're going to head down the back straight. We're up on our time, which is good. So release the brake, get it turned back in, back down to second, kiss the bottom of the curb, avoid obviously the big red sausage there. Just let it screen through here in third gear. Wanted to try and do that without braking, but it's a little bit tough without the extra aero that I'm normally used to. So going down the extra few gears, final corner, maximum power now, making the most of all the gear changes, hug this wall, back over, and that's 2 laps, 2 minutes, 0.2. Talk about messing that up. Just a little bit too greedy into car. It's a shame because I think I was up about 7/10. Anyway, that's 3 laps completed around the Snetterton 300 circuit and Porsche Cayman GT4. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, repost it. Look forward to hearing your feedback. See you guys on the next video.